Today we are over on building 2, perfecting the cut list. You can see the amigos here are measuring all the angles to make sure that we have the correct pieces. You kind of see our chart here, all our panels, how many panels and the lengths of the panel and the high point. So here's what we're looking at on perfecting the cut list so that we don't have a ton of metal waste on the project or that we don't have short panels. So it's important to make sure that you double check the measurements even then your satellite imaging, because there is a difference. So usually on the satellite imaging you'll get the panels a little bit long. So here the guys are getting perfect measurements so that we don't have a problem of panels that are too short or panels that are too long and we waste material. So that's what we're doing right now. As you see, we're also putting the metal on building 1.